Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Transmission Filter Kit. This transmission filter kit is for various Chrysler, Dodge, and Mitsubishi trucks and SUVs with a variety of 6 and 8-cylinder applications. Some specific vehicles this kit works on includes the Chrysler Aspen, Dodge Dakota, Durango, and Ram, Jeep Grand Cherokee, Commander, and Wrangler, along with the Mitsubishi Raider. To make sure this fits your vehicle, check the listing below or contact us. What the transmission filter does is it keeps the transmission oil clean as it circulates internally. And with a kit like this, you will make sure any contaminants are kept out of your major components. Common reasons why you would need this transmission filter kit is because you're servicing your transmission fluid due to leaks from the original pan gasket, your current fluid is severely dirty and smells burnt, or you are having a hard time shifting in and out of gears. While this transmission filter kit is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout. This kit is also very comprehensive thanks to the new gasket, improved transmission oil sump filter, and a new high-quality filter element. Installation of this kit can be done if you feel comfortable working on your vehicle. However, one major pointer, make sure you clean out your existing pan once you have it dropped, so no old contaminants are still in it, which will drastically shorten the life of your new kit. If you have any questions about this replacement transmission filter kit, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.